I was like,
Hey, hi, Billy. So this is the project. We have to knock down all of this. Goes in between these trees. This stuff is super tall. Billy, go stand in the middle of that. We see how tall it is. Well, there's parts of it that are up to his armpits. We gotta knock all that down. Yeah, that's in your armpits. We gotta knock all that down. What we brought with us is the Ferris and the windstorm. So what we're gonna do is Billy's gonna leave the deck up all the ways and go over at one time, knock it to the ground. I'm gonna blow it with the windstorm all the way back into the woods over there, and then maybe go over it one more time. We'll blow it all through again, and it'll be done. That easy, right? Billy. Billy, did you and Mike cuddle last night?
no, actually we didn't. He slept in his room. I slept on the couch.
After the races last night, Billy went to our friend Mike's house and had a huge bonfire and a party, and Mike brought Billy to the shop this morning to help me. We had to go mow 2 lawns, and we gotta do this. And then I have to go flatbed a truck. A Ford. That's
Ford
awesome.
Classic.
I get to borrow Spencer's tilt deck trailer again. And I have to go transport a Ford F-150 EcoBoost that has a rod knock.
Of course.
Fords.
Ford.
Of course.
Classic Fords. Found on road dead, driver returned on foot, baby.
That's my boy. some tall stuff left here. Billy's gonna have to go over it one more time. We'll hit it one more time with the blower, and this will be clean. At the cost of that thing, almost $15,000, you gotta find more uses for it than just leaves. And in the past, we would mow this, God, 4 or 5, maybe 6 times to keep mulching it up. There's gator blades on there right now. And we would, I don't know how many times we'd be mowing this just to get it freaking cleaned up. But now we just mow it once, blow it clean, drop the deck down, mow it another time, blow it clean, it's done.
Alrighty. So, the old man's finishing up over here. Just used the brand new the Ferris. My brain ain't processing today. We got these old blades that came on it because we don't want to ruin the other blades. But let's shut this off here. So, yeah, we used this. Ran great. Didn't really bog down at all much. I got into some thick stuff. Well, the whole thing was thick, but there were certain spots that were thicker than others, and it didn't really bog down much. So this is what it's looking like. Going up in there, and there's just this little patch right here. That's the neighbors over there. All up in there. And do around here. Get all up in here. Over there. The previous people that mowed it, they started right here. And they only went to, you see that really dark line right there? That was just thick grass, just laying grass right there. Because they mowed all the way across to just there, and then they said, F it! Can't say that, Family Channel. And they just went to there and said, screw it, I'm not doing it anymore. And then they just stopped to that line right there. Look at the old man. Always dancing. But, so yeah, come all this, all up in here. The old man's grabbing the log. He's playing golf or baseball or something. Just whacked himself with it. So, this is the final. I think we come to cut this every 2 weeks. So, I think we come cut this every 2 weeks, I think it is. Not too positive. I'll ask the old man. I think he probably said it just a little bit ago. So, that's it. Look at this guy. Hey, it's crazy hooligan. I tell ya, he's something else. Hey, you forgot a log. Oh yeah, big man. The Incredible Hulk out here. Always doing something. Always something. You left me. Living in the corner crying. Can't say that, Family Channel. I don't know what's going on with him today. He's doing his own thing, I guess. So that's it. Make sure you hit that subscribity bobbity button, like the comment if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. We'll see you in the next video.
You got pretty dirty there, didn't you, Billy? Man, you were covered. So this property here, this is the mother.
Oh yeah.
This is the property manager for my apartment complexes. This is his mom's house.
Oh,
and the same guy that was doing the apartments, even though that's completely separate from this. It has to be kept separate. But the guy that was doing the apartments was also supposed to clean up this stuff here, and he just never showed up. He did half it and said, I can't mow it. So he gave me an envelope. Oh, there's her phone number. We're going to come and mow this, but it's going to be an as-needed thing because she has her husband, boyfriend, something, I don't know. He comes into town every once in a while and mows it. He lives in Canada. But, so it's going to be like an as-needed thing. But I told her $100 to clean that up. That was super easy work. For me, I mean, you got dirty. Anyway, she gave me cash. Gotta love cash. She gave me 110. You got a lot dirtier than I did.
Mm-hmm.
But since I own the company, you know, and I got to take on all the. Here you go. Here's $55.
55? All right, there, Phil.
For 25. By the timer on the camera, for 25 minutes worth of work.
Wow. Look at all these ones.
So you made $55 for 25 minutes worth of work. I'd say you're doing all right.
Look at all these ones there, filler.
You got a little dirty. My iced coffee was melted. What are you doing with that? I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
You don't want to know about the ones.
Let's go. I got to go flatbed a Ford now.
Classic Ford problems.
Yeah. Is the trailer locked up?
Yeah.
Parking brake set on everything back there?
Yeah.
All right. Remember, kids, safety second.
Safety second.
So Billy and I were on our way back from that job, and we saw this. Look at this little tiny little mini speedboat thing. Yeah, this could be fun. Look at this, Billy. She's an old girl. It's got a radio in it. Oh, yeah. Look at that sucker.
Sweet.
You know what? It's just like the jet ski.
That's what I thought.
It's got a jet propulsion. Yep, it sucks in through the bottom right there, just like my jet ski does. And it blows out here. So it operates the same way as a jet ski. Jetstar 1250. This thing's pretty cool. Man, we could have fun. I bet you this thing flies. For sale. Jetstar and trailer, $25.99 or best offer.